So this is your books account. This is what it's going to look like just as the default. And so from here, now we can start with the settings and getting some of those configured. So to get to settings, you'll find the gear icon up here. So click on that and you will be directed to the settings page where you will find all of the settings in there. We'll start with the profile details. So I'm going to click on in organization, click on profile. And here, if you recognize this, this was all of the information that was filled out in the first step when you first logged into your books. So this is the location. If you need to update that at any time, you'll find it within here. This is also where you'll be able to find your or upload your organization logo. So what you'll do is click on upload your organization logo. And from your files, you will be able to put in your organization logo. Once it's in here, it's going to default to be added onto all of your invoices, all of your transaction PDFs, and all of that. So you just have to put it in this one spot here and the rest will be filled out for you. Moving down the organization profile, you can add in your website URL. So your www.companyname.com, you can put this in here. The primary contact is going to be the main email that if any emails that get sent out from books, this is the address that it's coming from. So any invoice emails that you send out are going to be sent from this email address here. Going down a little further, you've got your currency, which was already filled out. You can also update your fiscal year if it's different from the default. So let's say May to April, for example. You can select whether you do accrual or cash-based accounting. The date format you can modify if your preference is to see it in a different format. And then you can also add in your company ID and your tax ID. If you're registered for tax, you can fill out those details here. Then just make sure that you save all of this. And it will update all of those details for you. Now we're going to go down into right underneath, there's branding. And this is another place where you can update and manage your organization logo. So whether you do it from here or the profile, it's going to be the same thing. So don't worry about putting it into both spots. Down here, what you can do is you can see the default setting is that Zoho puts all of the different details as light blue. If you want to have it synonymous with your branding colors and all of that, what you can do is select the custom color and you can change it to be the correct swatch to your company logo or any of your company colors. And then your books will reflect that just so that you have that all through your system to be along with your branding there. So that's just a few of the initial details that you will go through to update. From here, we're going to go more into the financial settings. We're first going to start with the tax settings and then move on from there.